You've met Mary Robinson, did Donald say to me?
Yes.
Where was that?
It was before she became the president.
Oh, yes.
It was, so I wouldn't dare call her Mary now.
Oh, wouldn't you?
No. I've got great respect for her.
Yeah, so where did you meet her then?
I met her at Trinity College.
Yes, what was she doing at Trinity College?
Well, we were having, it was when, I don't know whether I can say this.
Well, it was Trinity College, I suppose.
No, it was not to do with the college, it's what I was doing there.
I see, I beg your pardon, yes, I'm sorry, yes, sorry.
I was, do you remember when Virgin Records got busted for selling...
Yes, I do, yes.
Well, Trinity College rang me up, you see, and said, we're not happy with this, will you come over and do a safe sex workshop for us? I don't mean I was doing it on the floor with people demonstrating and stuff, but it was just to say, you know, to get the message across.
Yes, quite.
And Mary was there.
Doing what?
She was stretching them while I blew them up.
Well, thank God she no longer has to indulge in that kind of thing now. She's our president.
See, I wish we had somebody like that in England. Who have we got, Major? Oh, please. How could you get... John Major...
you had Margaret Thatcher in your show.
Yes. Do you know what my big fright was when Margaret Thatcher was in power?
What?
Was being in a coach crash or some disaster and coming to and finding Maggie Thatcher leaning over the counterpane with her handbag saying, how are you? You'd die and think you'd gone to hell, wouldn't you? See, if John Major did this, you'd think, oh, he's a porter. Get us a cup of tea, will you, look? But, I mean, I think John Major looks like a woodwork teacher.
A woodwork teacher?
Yeah, all he needs is a pencil behind his ear and a brown overall, doesn't he? You know what I mean? He's so bland. I mean, please get lost. I can't be doing with them.
I see, yes. You're not really into politicians.
Well, I am, yeah, but not the Tories. I've got no time for them. They've crippled us. National Health Service is gone. Pensioners are treated like rubbish. You know what I mean? Shocking, really, what's going on.
Yeah.
It is.
You met Marlene Dietrich, did you not?
God,
yes,
Marlene.
many years ago.
There's a man with his hands up. You can go to the toilet if you want. Go on.
No, I think
it's polite. Go on, go and have your pay. Go on, you'll be all right. We'll hang on for you.
He wants to ask a question, I do believe.
No, I was just going to make a statement.
Yes.
Oh, go on.
Margaret Thatcher was the best leader Britain ever had.
No, sorry.
Definitely.
No, she crippled the country.
No, she didn't.
Look at the state of the National Health Service after Maggie being in. Look at it. Look at it. You can't get a bed now if you had a heart attack and Woolworths. Honestly, you'd have to hang on 3 hours. I mean, I appreciate, what you say, but the woman...
Why do you think Margaret Thatcher was the best leader they ever had?
Well, she'd done more for that country than any other leader.
No, she didn't,
Oh,
honestly.
she has.
Well, you didn't have to live there. It's all right for you sitting there saying that. We had to suffer it, honestly. Shocking. It was. What did you think? I won't ask your opinion.
No, don't ask my opinion.
No, he's trying to sit there, fly on the wall.
He's just trying to stir it up. That's all he's doing. But anyway, Marlene Dietrich, you met her.
Troublemaker. Keep your gob shut while I slap you.
Said she conversationally, yes sir, yeah. No,
so what your opinion, I'll punch it out of you. Sorry, guy.
Just about the last point you were making there, I was wondering, since you feel so strongly about Margaret Thatcher and how badly she did, do you think about running for Prime Minister yourself, maybe?
No, I tell you why, I couldn't live in Downing Street because there's no off licence nearby. There isn't. Say you wanted ciggies at 2 o'clock in the morning, what are you going to do? You just have to sit there, wouldn't you?
So that's gone, yes, yeah, no.
You say Margaret Thatcher was the worst thing that ever happened to the country.
Yeah.
And the National Health Service has gone downhill.
Yeah.
Well, you have to live over here to appreciate the National Health Service in London.
What's it like here?
Because over here, you have to pay for absolutely everything. I'm originally from London, and I was the same about the National Health Service. But I've been over here 5 years now, and you soon appreciate your National Health Service.
Are you going to have your baby privates?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I know a good midwife.
I might have it here yet.
Don't be having... She's going to have this baby on the floor, guy. I can feel it in my walls.
Tonight. Another first for the Late Late Show. It'll be wonderful in full colour. Yes.
No. Don't, hang on. Please hang on. How many months are you? 8. How many months? 8 months? Oh, yeah. What, do you want a boy or a girl?
I don't mind.
As long as it's healthy. Yeah, it will be. I'll come over with a crystal later and tell you. I'm very good at that. I think
Marlene Dietrich, why was she such an influence on you, Lily?
I met CSC when I was a kid.
Yes.
And we went to the theatre in a place called Southport, which is the posh parts of Liverpool. They put Perrier water in the steam iron, you know, that kind of... And you know, they said to me, would you like to meet Marlene? So I said, I'd love to meet Marlene, please. So I went afterwards, and she came out the dressing room, and I was this vision on the stage, this absolute vision. And then this little old woman in a cashmere cardi came out, and she shuffled out, and she said, have you got a cigarette? So I said, pardon. She said, have you got a cigarette? I didn't smoke then. I do now. And I said, I don't smoke. She said, all people from Liverpool smoke. And off she shuffled. And I just thought she was an incredible woman. And then when I read this book that her daughter wrote, did you ever read that?
No.
Pack tissue of lies. Some bitter daughter thought my mother's dead, now I'll cash in. Rubbish, absolute rubbish. Why didn't she write it when the mum was alive? No bottle, that's why. Because Marlene has just gone, oh, shut up. So don't believe that book that daughter wrote. It's a tissue of lies.